Most people don't stay poor because they earn less. They stay poor because they make the same money mistakes again and again. These mistakes look small, but over time, they destroy your financial future. The problem is, nobody teaches us what these mistakes are. In this video, I will share the top 5 money mistakes that keep most people stuck financially. If you avoid these mistakes early, your money life can completely change. Let's start with the first and most dangerous mistake. The first mistake is spending more money than you earn. Most people don't track their expenses. They spend first and think later. Credit cards, easy loans, and buy now, pay later make spending feel painless, but every extra expense pushes you deeper into financial stress. Rich people control spending first. Poor mindset ignores it. If your expenses are higher than your income, no salary increase will save you. Wealth starts when spending stops controlling you. The second mistake is having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, job loss, sudden expenses happen. Without savings, people depend on loans and credit cards. This creates stress and long-term debt. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind. It protects your future decisions. Even saving a small amount consistently is better than saving nothing. Security always comes before growth. Saving money is important, but saving alone is not enough. Inflation slowly reduces the value of money. If your money is not growing, you're actually losing wealth. Rich people invest early. They allow time to work in their favor. You don't need to be an expert. You need consistency and patience. Investing is how money starts working for you. As income increases, lifestyle also increases. Better phone, better car, more spending. This is called lifestyle inflation. The problem is your savings stay the same or disappear. Rich mindset increases investments with income. Poor mindset increases expenses. If you control lifestyle inflation, you gain freedom faster than most people. Most people never learn how money works. They rely on advice from friends, social media, or emotions. Rich people invest in learning, books, skills, financial knowledge. The more you understand money, the better decisions you make. Financial education is not optional. It is a survival skill in today's world. Let's recap the 5 mistakes. Spending more than you earn, no emergency fund, only saving, not investing, lifestyle inflation, no financial education. Avoiding these mistakes puts you ahead of most people. Small changes today lead to massive results in the future. Money doesn't change overnight, but habits do. If you want a better financial life, start fixing these mistakes one by one. This channel exists to help you think rich and act smart. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe. Your future depends on the decisions you make today.